Hi, I'm Nastja, founder of DIY Eule. I'm one of the biggest sewing content creators in Germany. I have a YouTube channel. It's about sewing projects and crafts and a look into my DIY life. I started with making bags and baby accessories. And in 2018, I got fully self-employed and I wanted my sewing patterns to be on my website for my community. AdSense has been essential for the growth of my business. It has always been important for me that my content is free for my community, and now I'm able to host my sewing patterns on my website and also earn money with Google AdSense. I was using another ad network to monetize my site in the beginning, but I had no control over where the ads were being shown. As soon as I switched over, everything changed. With Google AdSense, I'm in control of where the ads are being placed, and I can also exclude some kinds of ads. I'm really happy because it really matches my content and my community. Setting up is really quick and easy. You just copy the code into the backend of your website and Google AdSense does the rest. I'm using auto ads to minimize admin, which is great for a one-woman show. Since Google AdSense generates income from old content, it gives me the freedom to take breaks, which lessens the pressure of creating content constantly. It's been so freeing being my own boss and doing a job that I absolutely love. My advice for someone who is looking into monetizing their website is use Google AdSense.